So we talked about this. You're a starter, a builder, an ender.
Yeah.
I do this a lot. I start something and don't finish my conversation.
Uh-huh.
A starter is investing for 10 years or less.
Perfect.
A builder is investing for years 11 through 30. So you've been investing for 30 years. An ender, you have two concerns. Preserving capital, you don't want to lose your capital, and paying the least amount of tax as possible. And he said, as you become more affluent in life, and that's just not monetarily, that's just in general, he said, spend 10% of your money on education or self-development, because your problems will get harder or more challenging, and you'll need to figure them out. Number two is spend 10% on blow it. Just blow it however you want.
Nice.
That's a vacation, upgrading your house, whatever. Just blow it. The other 10% is be charitable. Give back to other people. And as you get that satisfaction, I think that's important, that we can give some contribution in life to share with other people who are just not as far along as where you are.
I love it. Wow, that is some good stuff.